Good morning, students, and today this is lecture number 6 for equation of plane. We had already discussed the equation of plane in normal form, equation of plane passing through a point, equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points, angle between two planes, and as well as angle between planes and lines. So today we are going to discuss the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. This is most important topic for the board exam. Equation of plane passing through intersection of two planes. Intersection of two planes. So see this one. Suppose let r dot n1 is equal to d1. This is equation of plane first. That means r dot n1 minus d1 is equal to 0. Supposed to be this is plane number first, that is pi 1. Okay. Similarly, the second plane is r dot n2 minus d2 is equal to 0. This is nothing but pi 2. Okay. So equation of plane passing through intersection of these two planes, intersection of pi 1 and pi 2 is given by pi 1 plus lambda times pi 2 is equal to 0. That means if we see r dot n1 minus d1 plus r dot lambda times r dot n2 minus d2, and this is equal to 0. So this is nothing but r dot n1 plus lambda n2 to d1 plus lambda times d2. This is the equation of plane passing through the intersection of these two planes, pi 1 and pi 2. So please note it down, and then after we see the Cartesian form of this particular equation of plane. Okay, now see Cartesian form. What is the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes? If you want to see in Cartesian form, then suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 in Cartesian form let a1x plus b1y plus c1z is minus d1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 is equal to 0. Supposed to be this is the plane pi 1 and this is the plane pi 2. Okay. Okay, the equation of plane passing through the intersection of these two planes is nothing but equation of plane passing through intersection of pi 1 and pi 2 is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1z z minus d1 plus lambda times a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of plane passing through the intersection of these two planes. a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 is equal to 0 in Cartesian form. Okay. Now let us discuss some questions based on this. Suppose now see the question based on this particular topic, and afterwards we see some more questions based on the equation of the plane. So let us see first one is find the equation of plane which passes through the point 2, 2, 2. Find the equation of plane which passes through the point 2, 2, 2. That means one point is given and the intersection of the plane 3x minus y plus 2z, 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 4, and another plane is x plus y plus z is equals to 2. That means there are two planes by which the given required plane is passing intersection of plane. That means we have given two planes. By the intersection of this particular plane, the required plane is passing and also passes through the point 2, 2, 2. Okay, that means find the equation of plane passing through the point 2, 2, 2 and point and intersection of these two planes, and also passing through the intersection of these two planes. So what is the equation of plane passing through the two planes? So first of all we convert this in standard form. This is given planes 3x minus y plus 2z is minus 4 is equal to 0. Supposed to be this is pi 1 and x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Supposed to be this is pi 2. And then equation of required plane, this is nothing but 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times of x plus y plus z minus 2, this is equal to 0. So first of all we find the value of lambda, then you know very well this particular plane is passing through the point 2, 2, 2. That means we have 3 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus lambda times 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus 2, this is equal to 0. From this you will get the value of lambda and put in the equation number 1. Supposed to be this is equation number 1. You have to put it in this particular equation. You will get the value of required plane. That is the equation of the required plane. So solve it. Afterwards some more questions we can see. Now see another question. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the. Find the vector equation of a plane passing through the point of intersection of the planes r dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equal to 6 and r dot 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, this is equals to 5, and also passing through the point 2, 2, 1. That means one point is given and also two planes are given. We need to find the equation of plane which passes through the point, the intersection of these two planes, and also from the point 2 to 1. So again we convert it in the standard form, that is given place in normal form. If we convert r dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus 6 is equal to 0. R dot 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay? So, supposed to be this one is phi 1 and this one is phi 2. So, the required equation is phi 1 plus lambda times phi 2 is equal to 0. So, phi 1 is nothing but r dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus 6 plus lambda times r dot 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and minus 5 and the bracket is closed equal to 0. Understood? Only we need to find the value of lambda, and this value of lambda we will get by the first b by the converting in Cartesian form. Then we will get the value of lambda and then put this value in this particular equation. You will get the required equation of plane. Okay, so solve it and get the answer. Okay, see r dot see I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus lambda times 2 lambda I cap. So r dot 1 plus 2 lambda I cap 1 plus 3 lambda j cap. Okay. We just collect the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap, and also 1 plus 4 lambda times k cap. This is nothing but 5 lambda 6 plus 5 lambda 6 plus 5 lambda. Okay, this is equation number 1, supposed to be equation number 1. Now, since 1 passes through 2 to 1, okay, then R must be equals to 2I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and put this value in the other equation 1, we will get the value of lambda. So R is nothing but 2I cap, 2j cap and k cap. So 2I cap, 2j cap plus k cap dot 1 plus 2 lambda I cap plus 1 plus 3 lambda j cap plus 1 plus 4 lambda k cap is equals to 6 plus 5 lambda. And afterward you can solve 2 times I cap 1, so 2 times 1 plus 2 lambda and 2 times 1 plus 3 lambda and 1 plus 4 lambda is equals to 6 plus 5 lambda. Solve it and get the value of lambda and put in the equation number 1. You will get the vector equation of plane. Okay, now see the next question. Find the equation of plane passing through the point. Find the equation of plane passing through the point. Find the equation of plane passing through the point 1 minus 2 4 passing through the point 1 minus 2 4 and parallel to the plane 3x minus y plus 2z is equals to 2z plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is very easy. Okay, let equation of plane solution is this. Let equation of plane parallel to the one is nothing but 3x minus y plus 2z plus k will be equal to 0. Okay, now since this equation 2, since 2 that is required plane passes through 1 minus 2 4, so we have a 3 into 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2 2 into 4 plus k is equals to 0. So 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus k is equal to 0. So k will be nothing but minus 30. Put this value of k in the equation number 2, you will get the required plane. Okay, so let us try to solve some more questions based on the equation of plane, especially the point of intersection, equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes, equation of plane parallel to the given plane, equation of plane perpendicular to the given plane, equation of plane passing through equation of plane which is parallel to the given plane and passing through a given point, perpendicular to the given plane and passing through a point, or perpendicular to the given plane and parallel to the another plane. So please try to solve these type of questions. So thank you for today. Thank you very much.